Want to know how to create hybrid animal videos? Yesterday I was scrolling through the internet and I found this reel. When I checked the views, this video had over 78 million views and more than 5 million likes in just few days, which is crazy. And it's not just this video, all of their videos get millions of views. The reason to get a lot of views and likes because these videos have wow factor and make people curious and excited. I did some research and found another YouTube channel that uploads similar videos and has gained over 204k subscribers with only 136 videos. Unfortunately, this channel made a mistake, so YouTube isn't monetized their content. I'll explain what the mistake was and how to fix it later in this video, but first grab a snack and stick around till the end and let's see how to make these type of videos. First, we need to create an image of hybrid animal. To do this, open ChatGPT and ask it to write 5 detailed prompts to create a hybrid image of human and lion. The creature should look super muscular and powerful, standing in the forest, wearing a unique superhero costume no one has ever seen before. You can combine 2 or 3 characters, just replace the names with the names of the creatures you want to create. Once you are satisfied with the prompt, just press enter. Now it will give you 5 unique text prompts to generate hybrid images. Now copy these prompts one by one and open any image generation tool. You can use Leonardo, SeaArt or Midjourney. Here I'll use Seaart.ai. First, you need to create an account on Seaart and it will give you 150 image generation credit every day. After you log in, click on Generate button. Make sure to select Seaart Infinity model from the Studio section. The recommended image size for the short form content is 9:16. Now paste the prompt and press enter. Within few seconds, you will get the amazing results. If you are not happy with the result, you can try different prompt generated by ChatGPT. Once you found the image that you are looking for, just open it and click on download button to download it. Go back to ChatGPT and type something like, you wrote the following prompt, then just paste the prompt, then write, unfuse or separate these creatures in a normal form, face to face, keep everything else the same, and then simply press enter. You will get a new prompt. Now copy it, go back to Seaart and paste the new prompt and now press enter. You will now get an image showing the creatures before they were combined. Alright, now we have 2 images that represent before and after fusion. Now it's time to animate the images. Go to Haiper.ai and then click on login button and then use temporary email to create an account. To get unlimited temp mail, go to temp-mail.org, wait for a few seconds and then copy the email and paste it here and then click on the send code button. Now go back to temp-mail.org and open email from Haiper.ai and copy the verification code and paste it here and click on continue button. On this page, you will get a lot of AI tools, though we are interested in image to video generation tool. So come over here and change the creation mode to image to video. Now click on first frame image and then upload your hybrid image. Now simply click on create button. Now this process takes few minutes, so I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back once it is done.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, as you can see, Haiper.ai has produced amazing results. Now click on the download icon to download the video. I recommend animate your unfused image as well. Now take a look at another way to animate the images. I assume you have 2 images, one is with the unfused creature and one's with the combined hybrid creatures. Now make sure to enable the keyframe conditioning and then upload your unfused image in the first frame image and then hybrid image in the last frame image. And you can also change the video duration from here. Up to 4-second video is free, but if you want to create 8-second video, it will cost you 40 credits. And as you can see, you get 300 free credits with every new account. So feel free to select 8-second video duration and it must be in HD. Now just simply click here to generate the video. This process also takes few minutes or more than that because we are using 2 images. So I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back once it is done.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, as you can see, Haiper.ai has generated an amazing looking video with the combination of 2 images. Now let me show you another AI tool that generates even better videos from images, but the problem is currently it is in high demand and they are not providing a free plan. You have to buy a premium plan in order to generate videos. And here you can see the videos generated by this tool. Amazing, right? I'll provide you with all these similar AI video generated tools in the video description so that you can try all of them yourself and let me know in the comment section which one you like the most. Now all you have to do is edit your video in any editing software of your choice. You can use CapCut or Premiere Pro to edit your videos. The simple rule to create these type of videos is first showcase unfused creatures. Following that, add hybrid video clip and apply transitions between the clip. Similarly, you can add as many clips as you want in the same sequence into the timeline. And now add the background music. You can also add some sound effects or monster sound effects. Add animation to each and every video clips so it will add a movement in that scene. Then you can also add some effects like spark or lightning crack to make your video look cool. If you are using free version of any tool to animate the images, it will come with the watermark. So to remove this, you have two options. You can blur that or you can crop that part like this. Or you can also add your own watermark to hide this. When it comes to video editing, it's require creativity to make amazing videos. Professional video editors learn new things every day, and this never stops. So take your time and edit your video. Once you're done editing your video, export it into 1080 by 9020 resolution, which is the recommended size for short form content. Let me show you why YouTube did not monetize that person's channel. The issue is this person didn't add anything unique from their site. They just uploaded the videos with the images and background music. Because of this, the channel got views and subscribers, but it wasn't monetized. Now I'll tell you the solution to this problem. You need to add something unique from your side, like you can use your own voice or you can add AI voices as well. For example, you can say something like how it would look if human and lion were joined together or anything else. And if you do this in all your videos, there's a highly possibility that you won't face any monetization issue. And now if you found this video even little helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. That being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.